Guys, we got one wall on so far, or a half a wall on right now. We got to go get some heavy duty self tappers. So that's one wall up. We still got to put the roof on, but don't worry guys, this ain't gonna stop nothing right here, you know. It's still good. There you go. That's what we got so far. You guys will see the update. My people, what are you guys doing today? Yo, we are setting up because this is gonna get very interesting for you guys. Yeah, we got the new car in the back. We got everything in the back. What's up, y'all? All right, now here we go. This is what we're gonna be talking about today. So, as you guys can see, we are near the building where the frame is. And boom, metal again. Still got to put the roof top on, and boom, metal again all the way down. We got a bunch of holes we got to plug because I put the screw in a non-hole. So we step on the inside. Boom, look at that. That's what it looks like on the inside. So that's the forklift right there. There's the top. The 10-foot sections. We got a little bit of gap to seal up right at the bottom. Let me flip you guys around. Got a little bit of gap to seal at the bottom. If anything, I'll probably get some of those foam things and then push them down in there and seal it up. A little bit of light. This side's got a little bit more. So, guys, this is gonna be new shop black. What's up, guys? This is the welding machine. Welcome to the shop. So a couple updates is I'm gonna put the roof on probably before or during around Christmas. I'm gonna wire up the shop myself. So there's something else that I'm gonna do. Still gonna figure it out, but yeah, I'm gonna wire it up, man. You gotta do it like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be definitely interesting because the way the metal's running, I'm probably gonna run it up through here, out through the top. And probably what I'm gonna do is put the panel box over here. Everything's gonna be running up and along the top, so it's not in the way. And I'm gonna have my lights. My lights is gonna be, I think, right here. My outlets, I have one here, one there, at every pole in the middle, and then I'm gonna have my 240 volts. So we got a little bit of going on. Do some insulating things going on as well. So yeah, guys, it's coming together really good. And now, guys, it's just one of those things where you just got to do what it do and get it done. And it took me a couple days. This is like my third day. So, all right, y'all. So the next one we got to cut. I got to cut it around here just so it drops below the concrete. Yeah.
Are you gonna make 2 doors at this building?
Yeah. And I gotta go eat dinner with my family. Here we go. That's what the shop looking like, y'all. Yes, I have a column in the middle and another column. So I'm getting a feel of the shop, the openness of the shop. It finally feels like it's up, almost. So that's tells you how much you got left. I got 6 feet in the front, 5 feet in the back, and then like somewhere around whatever on the side. And as you can see, the sun is setting right now and it's getting dark, so it's close to 5 o'clock. This is what the side looks like. I'll show you what the back looks like. Back looks like the same. Now, instead of putting corners on here and being fancy, I decided to wrap the tin around the back side of the building. See, that way it's got that nice smooth transaction. No holes, nothing to block the wind. A couple holes I gotta plug because so this side right here is the worst side because there's a hole I gotta plug. That hole, and I gotta seal around this hole right here. But other than that, that's what the back of the building looks like. I feel like I'm almost accomplished, guys. Like the building's almost up. I can feel it. The roof is gonna be easy to put on. I just gotta rent the thing to do it. But the building is still, you know, this ain't strengthened nothing. I can still push it out if I need to push it out. It's just to have this part done, because then once I get the roof on, doing the siding, my dad's gonna help me with the roof, doing the siding across the top, and then doing the thing up there, which is the roof. So this has been the Welding Machine, guys. You guys have a great day, and thank you for tuning in. And please don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And guys, when I tell you it's coming soon, it's coming soon. What I mean by that is plenty of welding videos to come. Maybe I'll do my own little welding school in here as well. I can make a couple booths. So I got future plans, y'all, because I don't plan on working for somebody forever. I mean, I'm making good money because I'm a supervisor now, but you know, always, if I could stay home and work, that's what I would want to do in life. But yeah, so we got it, guys. Y'all stay tuned. It's been the Welding Machine. Y'all have a blessed day.